call time 7:30. But the start of time talaga is 8 p.m. Exam 8 p.m. But anyway, bago ko magbigay ng mensahe, welcome to our Project Watch under the GC Senate Philippines. We advocate time-consciousness and honesty. Kaya siguro ako naging national chairman. Mula bata pa lang ako hanggang paglaki, hindi ko po talaga kaya magsinungaling. Dahil honest po talaga akong tao. That's why I'm very flattered. It's a really honor na maging national chairman ng Project Watch. Kaya bago po magbigay ng mensahe for welcome remarks, unang-una magbibigay po kayo muna po ako, of course, sa ating national president. Even though he knows na sobrang sipag ko, kaya wala po akong boses, that I'm thankful ang napakasipag na ating national president ng JC Senate Philippines na tulungan tayo para sa ating fundraising. Of course, a Time to Watch concert. Palapakan po natin. Of course, National President JC Senate Philippines, Eduardo Echa. Especially with his first lady, kayong wife, Ma'am Senator Sona Echa. Our founder of Project Watch, JCA Senator Cesar Choa. Maraming salamat. National Secretary General, NSD, Senator Mike Derrick. Our request, Project Watch, National Chairman, of course, past National Chairman, JC Senator Agi Angeles. Actually, siya po may kasalanan. NP. Si Senator Agi may kasalanan kung bakit ako naging National Chairman. Hinominate ako ni Senator Agi na akala ko aatin lang ako ng meeting sa L-Club. So sabi ko, mag-a-active lang ako as member. And nagulat ako, wow, ginawa niyo ako national chairman. I told her, Tita Agi, tatanggap ko itong position nito to one condition. Gagabayan niyo ako at igagayin niyo ako yung mga past national chairman and the GC senators. Thank you, Senator Agi, for the love and trust. And of course, ang ating pong masipag, of course, sa ating National Director, the Project Watch past National Chairman, the very active and very supportive past National Director, Senator Ernest Evangelista. And of course, very active and very supportive. Ngayon, naiintindihan ko na po kung bakit lagi siyang stress yung bababa ko ng Area 1. Kasi pag bababa ko ng Area 1, wala akong stress. Kakaway, pwede kumanta, pwede mag-judge, ngingiti, autograph. Pero I'm very happy because nagkaroon tayo ng party watch na in Isabela. So sabi ko, bakit so serious? Bakit sobrang hindi natin makausap? Ngayon, yung nararamdaman niya, yun ang nararamdaman ko ngayon. They're very supportive and very responsible. The Area Vice President ng ating Area 1, of course, Councilor JCI, Senator Gary Galadera. And of course, ating kaibigan mula sa GC Senate Marikina, the NSG 2021, GC Senator Joe Llorca. GCI San Pedro Port Laki Past President, ang anak ng ating founder, Cesar Choa, GCI Senator Alex Choa, and the GCA late from the MMGS, Senator Butch Aldaba, and from the GCA Senate Legazpi. Of course, GC Senator Jonas Kylan. Thank you so much po, sir. Kayo pala yung message sa akin. Yan. And of course, ating very active ang Area 3, which is from the Area 3 of the Area Vice President Area 3, Senator Tony Janet, which is kasama po namin nag-launch sa GCFA, sending Legazpi sa Bicol and Sorsogon. Congratulations also, of course, ating very active, supportive National Director, Charlie Chua. Kailan ko po ang Senate Legazpi kasi sobrang alaga nila ako. Libre accommodation ko, libre travel. So sobrang pamper ako sa GC Senate Legazpi. And of course, thank you so much, Acting GC Senator QZ, past National President, Senator Joyce Bernal. And of course, ang ating National President, NC Agnes Brazil, thank you so much. And of course, the GC Senator Caloocan, GC Senator Rogelio Regala, and of course, the last acknowledge, of course, hindi natin makakalimutan, the very supporting and very active. He is the chairman of the flagship, and he is my, of course, mentor and very supportive sa ating Project Watch. Nakasama natin sa Batanes, Isabela, Bicol, and of course, lahat ng mga program activities ng Project Watch, ang ating masipag mula sa GCN, Senate San Juan, of course, National Executive Vice President Herbert Tan. And of course, hindi ko na po isa-isahin. Feeling ko baka isang kanta lang magagawa ko later. Thank you so much to all the media from the EBS, GMA7, Channel 5, Channel 4, and of course, TV4, palakpakan po natin. And sa lahat po ng writer, media editor from Broadsheet, Tabloid, and News, international and local, thank you so much for your support for the Project Watch. Palakpakan po natin. And thank you so much to all the sponsors, siguro later po sponsors, this sir, dapat nag-start ng concert. But anyway, maraming salamat. It's truly wonderful to see all of you here tonight for our time to watch the concert. This event is a celebration of collective efforts and incredible strides we've made through the Project Watch. We advocate time and consciousness and honesty. Bilang National Chairman of Project Watch, napakasaya ko po as a reflect in our accomplishment. We come together as a community dedicated to promoting the values of punctuality and honesty at talagang nakaka-inspire na makita ang ating mga nagawa for this year. This concert is not just about the music performance. Ito ay tungkol sa pagkilala at pagpapahalaga sa masipag na trabaho at dedikasyon sa bawat isa sa inyo na nag-ambag sa ating misyon. Whether it's through our partnership with government agencies, the numerous events and ceremonies, or the regional summits, every initiative has brought us closer to creating a culture of consciousness and integrity. I want to take a moment to acknowledge the leaders, members, and partners who have been instrumental in our journey. Your dedication is the backbone of the Project Watch. Your effort, your passion, your love are what makes it like tonight possible. Ako po ay lubos ng papasalamat. Project Watch. As we enjoy the concert, let's remember why we're here. Let's celebrate our achievements that also affirm in our commitment to the principle of punctuality and honesty. These values that improve our lives but also contribute to betterment of society as a whole. Kaya naman ito po yung pinaka-importante sa akin. Pag leader ka, kailangan number 1 is honest. Number 2, faithful to God. Number 3, your passion. Your 4, your sacrifice. You need to sacrifice everything para sa organisasyon. Ako kahit aksidente ako last night, and Leader Herbert knows, at sabi ko siya, must go on. Sabi ko sa mga kubag niyo ko din sa hospital. Kakanta ako later because I love Project Watch. Yun ang sinasabi natin, dedicated, passionate, hardworking, and focused dito sa ating organisasyon. Dito voluntarily na tumutulong tayo, kumikilos tayo, na wala tayong hinihing kapatid, kundi gawin ang mission, vision, and legacy for organization, for Project Watch, and GCI Senate Philippines. Kaya po nagkaroon tayo ng Project Watch concert tonight. Ito po ay ilalaan para sa ating, of course, beneficiaries, to all that it's food, usahan ng mga poor students and poor schools. And the backcourt chairman told me, sabi niya, di na ako mag-sponsor sa concert. Sabi ko mag-sponsor. Doon na lang sa cash prize na mananalo. The best jingle ng Project Watch, Kiko. Of course, is August. Kaya kung hindi natin pinost lahat dito dahil marami pa po tayong activities na kaalam sa ibang projects. Kaya naman, I thank God and I thank National President Etchen. Sabi ni Etchen, kaya mo yan, Etchen. Very positive. Sabi ko, napakaswerte po natin. Meron tayong National President Etchen, the very honest and dedicated for our organization. Thank you, and here, thank you to all the National Board and Leader Herbert. Hindi ko nakabak pa, baka hindi na ako makakanta. And thank you so much kay Ate Lisa Lindon, to all the sponsors. Kaya naman, mabuhay po ang Project Watch, mabuhay ang GC Senate Philippines, mabuhay po kayo lahat. It's me, your Miss Flores, the National Chairman of the Project Watch, and Janica Jones Alarva.